Need a last-minute Christmas gift? Why not give the gift of crypto? Hello and welcome. I'm Nicole with BitcoinFirstSteps.io. Have you ever thought about giving someone Bitcoin or another type of crypto as a gift this year? If so, you are not alone, and it seems that a lot of people put crypto on their wish list this year. One benefit of giving Bitcoin as a gift is it will stand the test of time and likely grow in value. Plus, it will help spread adoption. And don't just think that you have to give actual crypto like Bitcoin. In this video, we'll explain a variety of different gift ideas. First, we'll take a look at a few articles that discuss the rising trend of crypto gift giving. Then we'll take a look at some crypto-related swag and other items that will also make great stocking stuffers. According to our first article from CNBC, people want Bitcoin as presents this year. 65% of Americans want financial investments such as stocks and cryptocurrencies as gift this year, according to a recent survey of more than 2,000 adults. Fortune reports that 1 in 10 Americans is planning to gift crypto to a loved one this holiday season, and that's according to a survey by BlockFi, a crypto exchange. Many of those who want crypto are young people, and not everyone wants the same cryptocurrency. Millennials and Gen Z are more likely to hope for Dogecoin over Ethereum, while men are more likely to want Ethereum over Bitcoin, according to BlockFi. If you're planning on giving crypto or digital assets, there are a few flavors to choose from. Of course, you can give Bitcoin. This is especially great for beginners. Plus, Bitcoin is available on so many platforms like Cash App, which can be an easy way to give Bitcoin to someone receiving it for the first time. In fact, you don't even need to directly buy Bitcoin to gift it. The feature that Cash App has allows users to send the crypto through their USD balance or debit card. Similarly, you may also want to give other well-known cryptos such as Litecoin or even Ethereum. You may decide that an NFT will make a great option. As this article explains, NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are one-of-a-kind assets ranging from artwork to music that can be bought or sold online. These might be the right pick for some of your more creative loved ones. If you're looking to send your loved one an NFT, look to marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, and Nifty Gateway. And of course, we can't forget about the metaverse. In another CNBC article, it's believed millennials and Gen Z are planning to spend thousands on cryptocurrency, NFTs, and metaverse land as holiday gifts. In this article, the writer interviewed 5 people about the type of digital asset gifts they plan to give this year. And there were some interesting perspectives. For example, one young lady, Cynthia Gentry, plans to gift an NFT of a digital land lot. For her mom and sister, Gentry plans to buy collectible NFTs from projects like World of Women and Crypto Coven that aim to empower women. She's also hoping to pay for an online course on blockchain coding for her father. One unique gift idea is an Ethereum name service, ENS Domain. Another interviewee plans on giving ENSs because she thinks they have the potential to really be tied to your on-chain personality and profile. The ENS creates a domain like .com, but for the Ethereum blockchain, and that represents an investor's cryptocurrency address. An ENS domain name appears as something like yourname.eth, rather than the random string of letters and numbers that typically signifies your wallet. Prices for ENS domains vary. One with 5 characters or more costs $5 in Ether per year, while 4 characters costs $160 in Ether per year, and 3-character ones cost $640 in Ether per year. That's according to the ENS Domains website. 3 and 4-character ENS domain names cost more due to the smaller number available. Crypto supplies such as wallets can be a great gift. Plus, they are practical, not just for someone that is already invested in crypto, but having a physical item can also be a great way to open the door for someone that is not yet into crypto. It can give them a sense that it is real. Trezor is a well-known, reliable company that offers wallets and lots of other related items. Okay, now for swag, the fun crypto-related gifts. These items can be like breadcrumbs, gently planting crypto seeds without plunging someone into the deep end. They're also, of course, great for fellow crypto enthusiasts. A couple ideas for the special men in your life. Up first is the Cryptomatic watches. They have a variety of colors and design options to choose from. The Bitcoin gift set whiskey decanter and double rocks glasses is also quite nice. And for the women, there are a variety of options, but I wanted to highlight some really pretty shirts offered by a couple of great women-run organizations. The first is the Beauty of Crypto shirts, which are offered in the color combination that you choose. Also, there's the Women in Crypto shirts. That's quite lovely. This shirt is also great because they invite conversation to the people that are wearing them. Rounding out the clothing, I found a couple of other cool items. We have the Just Hodl It t-shirts and also the I Told You So Bitcoin t-shirt. And then, of course, you have the Bitcoin socks, classic stocking stuffers. As mentioned in one of the earlier articles, crypto education may be ideal for certain people. This can run the gamut from courses like Ivan on Tech to an off-the-chain subscription to Anthony Pompliano's newsletter to Bitcoin books. And if you know someone who is a beginner and wants one-on-one guidance, a quick start session may be the perfect gift. Just like Bitcoin itself, education is the gift that keeps on giving. So if you're thinking about giving a crypto-related gift, we hope you found this video useful. Keep in mind you can give the gift of crypto all year long. Giving Bitcoin and related items to others can be a great way to help spread adoption. Plus, you don't have to wait for traditional holidays. Check out the website bitcoin.holiday. You can start planning ahead for Bitcoin's birthday in January. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like it, and subscribe to the channel. Happy holidays from Bitcoin First Steps.